example 3.3, we have the integral of the square root of e raised to x minus 2 dx. So what we are going to do is to let u is equal to square root of e raised to x minus 2. So square natin both sides ng equation, and we have here u square is equal to e raised to x minus 2. So taking the derivative of this, we have 2u du is equal to ex dx. The derivative of the constant 2 is 0. So we have here 2u du over e raised to x is equal to dx. So makikita natin dito na we still have the variable x here. So kailangan magiging u to siya. So dito natin siya kukunin. So e raised to x is equal to u square plus 2. So substitute natin dito, we have 2u du over yung e to the x ay magiging u square plus 2. This is equal to dx. So substitute natin siya dito sa original equation natin, and we would have the square root of x squared minus 2 ay magiging u, and your dx ay magiging, ito na siya. So that would be 2u du over u square plus 2. So simplifying, and we would have 2 u squared du over u square plus 2. So remember yung sinabi ko kanina na if we have the same degree of the exponent nung term natin sa numerator at denominator, the first thing that we are going to do is to divide. So kung ipa-factor out na natin si 2, ay hindi na natin isasama sa equation natin. So we will just have here u square divided by u plus 2. So u square divided u square is 1. So 1 times u square. So 1 times u square is u squared. 1 times 2, so that's 2. Change the sign and proceed to addition. So that would be 0 here and negative 2 here. So this would be equal to, so factor out natin yung 2, integral of, so we have 1 minus yung remainder, so that's 2 over u square plus 2 du. So simplifying, and we would have 2 integral of du minus 2 times 2, so that's 4 integral of du over u squared plus 2. So we have 2 integral of du is u, and in here you have u squared plus 2. So kung babalikan natin yung previous topic natin, the integrals leading to inverse trigonometric function, we recall the formula dv over a squared plus b squared, that is equal to 1 over a arc tangent of v over a plus c, provided that the numerator is the derivative of the v na nandito sa denominator natin. So in this case, kung titingnan natin, your v is equal to u, so dv is equal to du, and in here you have the 2, so if a squared is equal to 2, so therefore yung a natin is square root of 2, so that's square root of 2 squared. So 1 over a, we have 4, ito yung 4, over a, yung a natin, square root of 2. Since the derivative of u is du, so arctangent of v, so your v here is u, and over a, your a is square root of 2 plus c. So, hindi pa ito yung final answer natin kasi babalik pa natin yung variable x. So, we have equal to 2, yung u natin, that is square root of e raised to x minus 2. So, that would be square root of e raised to x minus 2 minus 4 over square root of 2 arctangent of yung u natin, that is square root of e raised to x minus 2 over square root of 2 plus c. And this is our answer.